What up, small space living? Got some chicken here, and first I'm about to use it. Marinated the chicken for like 30 hours. So, lay that down. Perfect. Trying to get pieces that are the same. Do this on the top. Okay. Get another thin one for the bottom. Oh, get some big pieces. Let's do this one. Made a little mess. But yeah. Let's see what happens. Close that up. And we're going to turn that down. So about 380. It's on bake. And I have the timer shut off. Alright. First time, wish me luck. Alright guys. It's been about 45 minutes. Got the chicken at 175. Just because I lost track of time a little bit. But that's alright. So I'm going to pull out this one. And I'm going to... Beautiful crust on the outside. And I'm going to put it to rest. For about... For about 10 minutes. Move this up. Leave that tray down there. I'm going to move this tray of potatoes, because I put that in a little late. Up here. Okay. Oh, wow. Got that a little messed up. Let's pull that out. Put that in the sink. Mess it up. I see that. I got a little mess on the bottom there. That's alright. Nothing we can't clean. But yeah, she's holding up really good. 45 minutes. I got it at 175. Basted it once. I mean, look at that. That looks amazing. Yeah, your wife wanted some roasted potatoes, so I threw that in there. Let's just put some lemon pepper and garlic and a little olive oil on the potatoes. Yep. Small space. Living. Subscribe. As you guys can see, they're really excited. And this chicken is super juicy. Yeah, I had to cut into it because they couldn't wait. They couldn't believe I did it in the toaster oven. And it's just so juicy. And yeah, did it in the toaster oven. So I let this run a little extra. 55 minutes at alternating from 400 to 350. Basted it once. Didn't flip, but yeah, it came out amazing, like super juicy. And this is breast. This is supposed to be the driest piece, but I mean, it just breaks apart, falls apart. It's like super juicy. Super flavorful. Amazing. Yeah, guys. Small space living. Make sure you subscribe. Oh yeah, she loves the potatoes too. Kind of burned the ones on the end. I forgot about them. Yeah. Some more chicken here. Yeah. Alright guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment.